right, she said. That water belongs where it flows. The boba tea looked up at both of them, rain still dripping into its cup. It didn't feel scared or youthful. Dr. Thornler, that drink is empty, directionless, it needs purpose. Aquaspark shook her head. It's already choosing its own path. Rain in my cup, curls at my feet, smiling while the storm falls on me. I'm empty, I'm light, let the water run free. Boba in the rain, yeah, that's me. Rain in my cup, don't steal, don't take, let it fall where it's meant to stay. I'm walking the street, feeling complete. Boba in the rain, happily. The boba tea thought about that. The rain filling it wasn't power, it was comfort, helping water move, not trap it. Slowly the boba tea waddled over, gently tilted its cup, letting rainwater pour back onto the street, washing dust into the drains. Aquaspark smiled. Looks like you made your choice. Dr. Void Scout disappeared into the storm. From that day on, the boba tea worked with Aquaspark through rainy nights, collecting water where it pooled too deep, releasing it where the streets were dry. Always smiling as the rain filled it again. And not every hero wore a cape, some just cared.